Dude, now it's super
I
raining.
mean, people are still gonna go to work. So you're right, maybe Monday.
Now it's the super rain coming here. Super rain.
Tomorrow we'll eat waffles, eggs, bacon.
It wasn't raining before, now it's going to pour. You see this? Look at that shit.
Me llamó de la baby bonding place.
I need clothes.
Maybe she wants me to call her. She had a question regarding it, so I tried to call her. She told me on Thursday. I tried to call her. I left her a message.
Also,
This for your work?
No, Rita. She's with
EDD? Yeah, because I looked online, I didn't see anything, like no messages.
call her on Monday.
You saved the voicemail, right?
Yeah, but I got her number. This is her direct line. This is for
right now for the baby.
I gotta go to my work and I gotta go to her.
Yeah, now it's crazy raining. Fries. Two, I think. This is amazing.